If you want to look modern and stylish in 2026, then I suggest you stop wearing these 8 trends because they are completely outdated and out of style. And of course, I'm going to also be sharing what is in style and the items that you can wear in everyday life to ensure that you look stylish and modern every single day. And actually, item number 7 is something that I still see women wearing, but myself and my girlfriends, we all agreed that this trend is completely out of style. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing one of the absolute best dating tips I have received recently from an FBI agent. So if you're interested in that, or maybe you know somebody who's also dating, I promise you're going to want to listen to this one. Trend number 1 that is dated and out of style, and that would be the extreme flare jeans. These were big like a year and a half ago. Tons of people were wearing them, like that 70s, like huge flare jean. I definitely was a fan, but those for sure look dated. And there are other styles of denim that definitely look more modern and stylish. And one of them would be the straight leg jean. This is a classic jean that you can never go wrong with. And the ones that I'm wearing in this outfit are a high-waisted, straight leg silhouette. These remind me of some premium designer jeans, but they're a fraction of the price. I love the vintage inspired denim, and these are just really good classic and timeless jeans that are not going to go out of style anytime soon. I did pair them with this fabulous black leather jacket. This one is from Quince, which means it is 40% less than if you were to buy it from a regular retailer, which is why I personally love shopping at Quince so much, because it's like everything's on sale all the time, because like I said, all of their pieces, super high quality. They all look very luxurious and expensive, but everything is up to 40% less because Quince basically cuts out the middleman, and that's how we get all the savings. So I would like to take a moment and thank Quince for sponsoring this video. They also have free 365-day returns, which is absolutely fabulous. And a little bit more about this fabulous real leather bomber jacket. This is a modern take on a leather jacket because the old fitted moto jackets, those are definitely more dated looking. So if you want to make your jacket game really on trend this season, opt for a bomber jacket like this one. The leather is buttery soft. It's super high quality, and I'm obsessed with the fit. And to make this outfit appear even more modern, I added a zebra calf hair belt, which by the way is under $100 because the print zebra is definitely a huge fashion trend we are seeing this fall. Trend number 2 that looks dated, and I may get some pushback from this, and let me clarify. I am not saying that this trend is out of style. What I am saying is it looks a little bit more dated than if you were to wear this other print. So basically it is leopard. So leopard, like I said, I'm not saying it's out of style, so don't kill me. What I'm saying is leopard looks a little bit more dated than zebra print or snake print. So if you want to look more modern and stylish this fall and winter, I would opt for zebra or snake print. And this is one of my favorite ways to wear snake print is actually just carry a fabulous snake print handbag. This creates interest in your look, this elevates your look, and it is guaranteed to make you look more modern. The exact bag that I'm carrying is sold out. However, I did find this one that I'm absolutely loving. It's a beautiful snake print of ivory and black colors. So it's just going to marry all of these neutrals that you're wearing all fall and winter long. And it honestly goes with almost everything, which means you're going to get your cost per wear out of it. I paired this snake print bag with the same Quince leather bomber jacket that I can't stop wearing because, as you'll notice, I have styled it 3 different ways in this video, proving its versatility and wearability. I paired it over this amazing little black dress, also from Quince. If I had to pick one black dress in my closet, this would be my absolute favorite one. Why? Because it's so versatile. You could wear it to a fall or winter wedding. You could wear it to church. You could wear it on a date night. You could wear it on a girl's night out. You could wear it to a Sunday brunch. The fit is also impeccable. It hugs your curves in all the right places without being too tight, but it's definitely form-fitting enough to show off your fabulous figure. And because it is made of 100% washable silk, it is very luxurious looking, even though it is not that expensive. And another way to style this fabulous Quince leather jacket is a little bit more on the casual side with these navy blue track pants, because another thing that will make you look dated in 2026 2026 is wearing leggings as like street clothes. I get it. If you want to wear your leggings to the gym, go ahead and do that. I wear my leggings to the gym. But when I'm being intentional about getting dressed up and feeling confident, I'm not going to wear my leggings. Instead, I'm going to wear track pants. These are incredible. They're comfortable. They're wrinkle-free. They have an elastic waist. They also have a wide leg silhouette, so they're extremely flattering on almost any body type. Also quickly, there are two ways to shop this video. The first way, all of the outfits that I'm talking about, I will link them down below in my description box, as well as my sizing information for reference. The second way is I will copy and paste all of these links and pin them in my first comment so they're easily accessible. Fall trend number 3 that will make you look dated is wearing oversized blazers. That was a huge trend that we saw last season. People still even wear oversized blazers, but they're definitely on their way out. I wouldn't say they're out of style by any means, but they're on their way out of style. If you want to look more modern and stylish, I would opt for a structured blazer like this one from Quince. I love this blazer. It's a beautiful gray shade. It also comes in like 5 other colors. The price point is incredible. It's wrinkle free. It's very expensive looking. And this is another versatile piece that you can wear so many different ways. Wear it with jeans, wear it over a dress, wear it to the office, wear it to church, wear it on a date night. Like literally the possibilities are endless because this blazer is extremely versatile. I paired it with an easy black tank top, that same zebra belt, and then these are some slim barrel jeans. This is another big denim trend we are seeing this fall. I personally love these because they are high-waisted and they're more of that slim barrel, which basically means they're a wide leg silhouette, but they're actually tapered at the ankle, so they allow you to show off your favorite pair of heels. Trend number 4 that will make you look dated is wearing off-the-shoulder ruffled tops. Those have definitely seen their day. They're absolutely dated, so I would say ditch those and opt for a simple bodysuit or t-shirt, and bonus points if it's a V-neck style because this will elongate the top portion of your body, making you look taller and slimmer, or just a strapless style of top is also a good option because it shows your décolleté. It allows you to wear a neck stack, which again is going to really elongate that top portion of your body. Another style of top I love to wear that is very flattering is the one shoulder top, and this one is definitely on trend right now. This is for sure a going out top. I get it, some of you don't like to show your shoulders or your arms, and that's okay. You could just drape this black Quince leather jacket over this outfit if that is you and you want to cover your arms. But this top, the back of it's really cool. It's sort of like backless. It's got a really cool cutout. I did that same zebra belt because I'm telling you this belt will elevate every single outfit, and it's under $100, and it's just such a great accessory, guaranteed to elevate all of your fall outfits. And then I did those same straight leg jeans, proving their versatility and wearability. I actually wore this out the other night in a girls' night out, and I just thought it was the perfect outfit. I felt very confident, definitely also modern and stylish. Trend number 5 that is completely out of style are the puffed sleeved tops. These will make you look dated, and again, they're just absolutely out of style. So ditch those, and instead I would opt for a classic tee. Now here's a twist. You could choose an elbow length sleeve tee because those are really on trend right now, and I love this one. It is comfortable. And the good thing about a elbow length sleeve tee is it does cover the top portion of your arms, and so if you're a woman who wants to cover that part of your arms, this tee is your answer. It is so incredibly soft, and you just can't go wrong with a classic t-shirt. I elevated the look a little bit by adding a neck stack. This is a great chain necklace that I literally wear all the time. And I did the same straight leg jeans and the same zebra belt because I want to show y'all multiple ways to wear the same item, because like I always say, unless you can wear something 3 different ways into 3 different places, you absolutely shouldn't buy it. Trend number 6 that looks dated and out of style would be the tight joggers. And instead of tight joggers, if you really want to look up to date, I would opt for the wide leg athleisure pant. These are some of my favorite pants because they're both comfortable and stylish, and they look way more modern than like that slim fitting jogger. And these Quince pants, I'm telling you, are so incredibly comfortable. They're so soft. I feel like I'm wearing my pajamas. I really adore this taupe taupe shade. It's a beautiful color. I'm actually watching my grandson on Thursday, and this will be my exact outfit for babysitting him because I know I'll be running around and also sitting down, holding him, playing with him. So this outfit will be absolutely perfect. It would also be great for travel because the pants have an elastic waist and they also have pockets. I love how the outfit looks with the shirt draped over my shoulders and then just a fabulous black tank. But then if you want to wear the zip up shirt, that's perfectly fine too. But again, this set is so soft. Literally, I just never want to take it off once I put it on. And I paired it with this fabulous Quince black handbag. This is one of my most worn handbags. It's also one of my favorite handbags because it's high quality. It's also very classic and timeless. It goes with everything, and it's the perfect size because you can carry it during the day. It's big enough to fit everything you need, your wallet, your lipstick, your phone, your car keys, but then it's also small enough and chic enough that you can carry it at night as well. Trend number 7, and this is the one that we saw out the other night. We saw a woman wearing this, and that is the cutout dresses. The cutout dresses have seen their moment. I wore them, I loved them, but they definitely look dated. And instead of a cutout dress, I would opt for a simple, timeless, and classic midi dress or a maxi dress. And this one by Quince is one of my absolute favorites, so much so that I own it in 3 different colors. It's ribbed, it's a beautiful midi length, it's also wrinkle-free, it's also very comfortable, and it has a very flattering boat neckline. Again, if you don't want to show your arms, you could wear a fabulous leather jacket over it. This one is a beautiful chocolate brown faux leather bomber jacket. I love the fact that it's a little bit more on the cropped side, and I loved the way the chocolate brown looked over the mocha because it really creates this effortless and modern looking monochromatic look that will also make you look taller and slimmer. Another one of my favorite timeless and classic dresses, and this one would also be great to wear to a fall or winter wedding, is this beautiful maxi dress from Quince. I love the navy blue shade. It is absolutely stunning. It does come in other colors though, so if you don't love navy blue, I'm sure they have a color that you will absolutely adore. Also, the fit of this slip dress is absolute perfection. I own quite a few slip dresses, and this one fits the best because it just hugs your curves in all the right places. It just lays on your body beautifully. So I highly recommend this slip dress. I absolutely love it. And as you can see, I edged it up a little bit by carrying that snake print bag. So you can even carry this snake print bag with navy blue. Trend number 8 that looks dated would be the color butter yellow. That was a huge color trend last year, and it is now definitely fading into the background. So instead of butter yellow, I would opt for rich, dark reds or burgundies, like this fabulous red windbreaker. It's also like a high collar bomber jacket style, which is another big fashion trend we are seeing. So this jacket actually encompasses 2 trends. I love wearing it zipped up, tucked under on the bottom, so it becomes more of a cropped jacket, which is very flattering because it shows more of your waistline. And then of course, push up the sleeves. And then I did pair it with these fabulous high-waisted slim barrel jeans that I had on earlier, as well as the snake print bag, as well as the clear and black kitten heels, because again, I want to show y'all that a lot of these pieces can really be mixed and matched and worn together to create tons of outfits. Okay, let's get to the best dating advice that I just got from an FBI agent, and it is this. If you're also dating on the apps like I am, when you match with someone and then they want to take you off the app and they say, well, hey, here's my phone number, what's yours? And that's typically what guys do, right? So as soon as they give me their phone number, you can plug it into Zelle, because I bank at Chase, and I think they have Zelle at other banks as well, but then you just basically act as though you're going to make a payment to that person. You put their phone number in, and as long as the first and last name comes up, because it will, and it matches the first and last name that they gave you, this is just a good way to sort of cross-check that person to make sure that they are who they say they are. So anyways, just a little dating tip that I thought would be helpful. I did an Instagram reel on this, and it literally has like 60,000 views and over 1,000 shares. So I thought it was really relevant information to help people that are dating stay safe. So leave me a comment down below and let me know know what your favorite trend is after listening to this video. I also want to take a moment and thank Quince for sponsoring this video. Remember, everything I did talk about will be linked down below in my description box. I'm so grateful that you chose me to spend your time with today on YouTube. And if no one has told you yet today, I love you. You're amazing and beautiful just the way you are. I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.